So I've hit like 3 stop loss so far this week. Two is on Bitcoin, one is on GBP JPY. That's about 6% of my account gone. And I use that inducement liquidity to spot the patterns. Let me show you how I do it on the chart. All right. First, look at the GBP JPY setup that I use stop loss. Okay, this setup on GBP JPY that I use stop loss. This is one that I hit on Bitcoin. This is two that I hit on Bitcoin already. See this one. See this one. This one was a stop loss, right? And this one was a stop loss. So let me show you how I identify those zones and how you can identify a zone using an inducement. So first thing I do is I watch out for the market trend. Now if you see GBP JPY, the market has been going up, all right? Then it break above here. It's a break of structure here, all right? As price break structure, I was waiting for it to touch another block here, which is this one now, this zone here. So I waited for it to touch another block here. So once the price touch on another block using this candle, I went down to my lower time frame. Now look at let me remove this. I went down to my lower time frame. Now what I look for on the lower time frame is for price to go up, create an inducement. Inducement is the first pullback after the price break a structure, right? So price went up, created an inducement, right? And I picked the other block, which is last candle before the up move, right below the inducement. So this inducement is a liquidity zone. So I waited for price to reach there, and this is stop loss. I use this in all my setup, both the wins and the losses, right? So, and the same thing applicable to here. Now look at this. Now look at this. See that this is a high time frame zone. All right. Price touch there and start coming down. Then what I look for is I went down to my lower time frame. What I look for is for price to break a structure. All right. So price break below here, but it didn't give me a very good structure break. Right. This is the area that I was looking for price to break. So price break below here and below here. This one gave me a good structure break. That's a double break of structure, which shows that the sellers are taking control of the market, right? So see the inducement here. As price was coming down, went up, came down, double break of structure. This is an inducement here. All right, the first pullback after break of structure is known as an inducement. So what I'm looking for is for price to go down to this other block, which is the last candle before you down move and trigger it, right? That's the latest setup. Now, a win for me in trading is not that I place a setup. A win for me is that I show up and execute my trading plan consistently, right? Because consistency always beats the game. Each of these trades now can give me about more than the money I've lost, all right? I can still make it back. I can still lose more and more, all right? That's how trading is. So always show up and execute your strategy. That's how you can win. Follow for more trading tips. If you like this video, please share it to your friends so that they will learn. Peace and love.